Hello, Internet. No matter what you're doing in life, what your path is, where it's taking you, what your goals are, there will always be challenges. You will always run into obstacles. There's always going to be something that will try to discourage you, or will try. Because, I mean, most obstacles are just there. They're not really trying to do anything because they don't have... That's beside the point. Challenges are guaranteed no matter what you do in life. That's the bottom line. And by the way, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm Lone Master DLC 79. And I believe school doesn't teach. We have to be the masters of our education. Meaning we have to learn this stuff ourselves. And one of the most important things that we need to learn is that no matter what we do, there are always going to be challenges. But here's the thing. No matter what your goals are in life, the path to get from where you are to where you're going. This actually kind of ties in with the previous episode where I was talking about, the key to changing your situation is changing your actions. Where you are now, that's your current situation. Your goal, that's the situation you want to be in. There's a path to get there, and that path involves changing some actions, doing different things, changing up your routines. But along that path, there will be challenges. I guarantee it. The only way to get to your goal is to overcome those challenges. And yes, it is discouraging. It's frustrating. It's stressful. It's like, oh, why can't it be easy? Things that are worth doing are never easy. And actually, somebody somewhere in the bowels of the internet has actually argued this point with me. Well, I would say breathing is worth doing, but it's easy. I mean, yeah, we can split hairs, and that's not the point. Let's not nitpick. The point here is no matter whatever worthy goal you have in life, maybe it's to cure cancer, or maybe it's to cure Alzheimer's, or something. Maybe it's to feed the homeless or take care of financial issues over in South Africa or something. I don't know. I don't, whatever your goals are, whatever worthy goals you have, there will be challenges that will slow you down in the process of getting from where you are to your goal. But the key to reaching your goal is overcoming those challenges. And the point, it's so easy to get discouraged, but you shouldn't. Because every single challenge is an opportunity to grow. We could use weightlifting as an example. Assuming you do weightlifting the right way, by the way, decades ago when I was in my 20s, I almost said in the 20s. No, that was before my time. In the 20s, when I was in my 20s, I looked very young for my age. Yeah, I did not do weightlifting properly, and I kind of have some joint damage today because of that. But if we assume that you do weightlifting the proper way, lifting the weight is not easy. It's a challenge. But if you do it properly, you grow as a result of it. Every challenge in your life is like lifting a weight. It's like exercise. It makes you stronger on the other side. Now, okay, technically speaking, there are some obstacles, some challenges. You probably shouldn't tackle head on for various reasons. I mean, either time, or it's just it's like, for example, I could be an amazing accountant, but micromanaging all those numbers and finances just for me is frustrating, and we can look at that frustration as a challenge, or we could look at the frustration as, yeah, I would be happier doing something else. Sometimes you got to look at it that way. But once you've narrowed down whatever path is least frustrating to you and will be most conducive to happiness or satisfaction, whatever you want to call it. There's still going to be challenges. Challenges that aren't frustrating, or not just frustrating, but opportunities for growth. Overcome those, you'll get stronger, and you'll get better at overcoming the challenges that lie down the road that leads to your ultimate goal, whatever that happens to be. So yeah, just a little encouragement there. Don't be discouraged. Challenges will help you grow.